Okay, 2-0 ah. Okay, all 2. Two, 4. 12 seconds to shoot. Jan, pinasa kay Luis. Luis, 3 points by Luis. Score 5-4. Remind ko, wala po tayong first ball ha. Wala tayong first ball. Okay, steal by. Okay, nabawi ulit. Yung number 22, Rudy, no good. Okay, rebound by Rafael. Rafael, mukhang ide-diretso. Rafael, no good. Nice follow up. Score 7-4. Number 22, pinasa kay Mike. Binalik ulit kay number 22 to make. Number 22 to Mike. Mike, no good. Nice steal. Grabe, parang ginagawan lang ng candy sa ere. Number 2, no good. Nauna. Okay, Rudy, no good. Nakuha ni number 15, Christopher. To Pascual. Luis, teardrop is good. Score 9-4. Remind ko, may 8 seconds violation tayo sa pagbababa ng bola. Mike, dribble, pinasa kay number 2, nakita si JM. Down. Okay, steal by number 22, nice. To Rudy. Rudy nag-alangan pa. Okay, bumalik. Rudy, no good. Okay, John. Naghintay lang naman. Rafael, no good. Buti na, walang foul. Mike to Rudy. Rudy, nalito, nakita si JM. 11 seconds to shoot. Nice steal by Rafael. Rafael to John. Easy 2 by John. Score 11-4. Remind ko, both teams may dalawang timeout. Okay, foul down. Oras, 4 minutes, 35 seconds. 14 to shoot. Okay, JM to Rudy. Yun lang. Okay, JM. Uy. Nice rebound. Number 22, no good. Rebound by Christopher. Okay. Nice block by number 22. Okay. Uy, sayang. Ang tira ni Rafael. Number 2, a nice drop. Pero maalat si Rudy ngayon. Madulas ba bola? Papalitan nyo. John, no good. Rebound by Mike. Grabe, hinaharas. Munti ka ng 8 seconds. Nice! Ang ganda. Ang alat po talaga ni Rudy ngayon. Ang alat. Nice! Tira na yun. Pinasa mo pa. Luis! No good. Rebound. Number 22, 2 points. Score 11-6. Naghahabol pa ng 5 ang Team Rudy. Nadali mo rin. Score 11-8. Okay, wait lang. Sige, labas lang. Okay, injury timeout. Okay ka lang, sir? Okay, naka-advance po sila. 14 to shoot. Okay, 2. Ay, wait lang. Good po yun, ha? Good yun. Nilabas naman nila eh. 13-8. Okay, rebound by Luis. Nakita si Jan. Jan. Okay, good. Wala daw foul, ha? Walang foul. Rudy, 2 points. Mukhang nagagamay na ni Rudy. Mukhang napasma lang kanina. Score 10-13. Rafael, 2 points. Score 15-10. Okay, number 22 pinasa kay JM. No good. Nakakuha ni Rudy pero no good ulit. Pero may foul. Oras 1 minute 34 seconds, 14 to shoot. Good po yan, ha? Basta nilabas ang bola. Good yan. Kahit hindi pa nakadepensa. 5 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Nice, unselfish play. Pero ang alam po ng Team Rudy. 4 seconds. Jan, pinasa kay Rafael. Last 1 minute. Nice block by Christopher. Pero line ball na po. Line ball. 44.9 seconds. 17 to shoot. Okay, easy 2. Score 15-12. 42 seconds. No good by Jan, pero nakuha ni Mike. Last 30 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Isa na lang po ang inahabol. Pero the steal. Last 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 1 second. Okay. Sino yung una nakakuha ng bola kanina? Dito, di ba? Oh, change court, dito bola. Score 14-15. Oh, wait lang ha. Yung uminom na. 2 points by Rafael. Fourteen to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice, ang ganda ng cut ni number 2. Score 16-17. No good. Kapindot ka. JM to number 22. No good. Nakuha uli ni number 22. Binalik kay JM. 10 seconds. Nice D by Mike. Nice, ang ganda naman po ng pasana yun. 18-17. Oh. Hindi, bago ako nag-start, puti. Lumabas na agad eh. Okay, 2 points. Lamang na po ang Team Rudy ng 3. Tatlong hinahabol ng Team Joiners. Okay, foul daw, foul. Bigay natin. Basta po pag pinaul, tawag agad. Munti ka na. Pero nandun si Pascual. Pascual, try again. Pero may foul. Ha? Oo, sakto. Kaso yung isa, alas 7, darating. Galing ata sa trabaho. Nice fake. Grabe po sa fake yun. Buti wala tayong 3 seconds. Number 2. 10 seconds. Good po yan, ha? Good po yan. Good. Rafael. No good. Good. Wala pong tawa. Mukhang pagod sa trabaho itong mga to, ah. Puro malalakas. Lamang po ng 5 ang Team Rudy. Nice block by Rudy pero may foul. Luis, no good. Mukhang inaalat na po ang Team Joiners. Number 2, easy 2. Okay, no good by John. Okay, 2 points. Score 26-17. 26-17. Hindi, parang nauna. Hindi siya kasama sa limit.
Withdraw niya lang, 17,000.
3 points by Luis. Tagal na siya ng win. Basta pag nakasampu ka na, $10, that alam mo na. Kaso, no good by Jane. Rafael. Mukhang ide-diretso ni Rafael, pero nakita ni number 22. Masisipag ang kasama ni Rudy. Nice! Ang ganda naman nun. Unselfish play. 28-20. Parang gusto kong i-avail yung 2-5. Kaso kung papayag si Ate Maymay. Ano? Pag nagpasok ako ngayon, magkakaroon ng bonus na 2-5. 2 points by John. Ibig sabihin, sa November. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Dalawa pwede yung isali. Yung dalawang anak niya pwede yung isali. Ay, 15 naman. Okay. 5 seconds to shoot. Pull up by Rafael, pero mahina nandun si John to the rescue. Pero no good. Ang alat po talaga. No good. Two minutes, 28 seconds. Nice. Ang ganda naman nun. Luis, easy 2. Score 28-24. Apat lang po ang hinahabol ng Team Joiners. Number 2. Pull up. No good. Last 2 minutes. Luis, try again. Punti ka na. JM is to score 30-24. Anim lang po. Luis, 3 points by Luis. Mukhang binubuhat ni Luis yung Team Joiners. Score 30-27. 1 minute, 8 seconds. Remind ko sa 1 minute lahat may free throw. 3 points by Jorge. Score 33-27. Last 54 seconds. 48 seconds, 12 to shoot. Pascual, John, nice pick. John, sayang. Pero binawi ni John, 37 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Mike, easy 2. Score 35-26. 27 pala. No good. Last 18 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Five seconds. Okay.